This 4-door, 5-passenger truck will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Top features include power front seats, voice-activated navigation, heated and ventilated seats both front and rear, rain-sensing wipers, blind spot sensor, adjustable pedals, a bedliner, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.